Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Buick LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote engine start, driver illuminated vanity mirror, fog lamps. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.